Sure, here's a 1,000-word YouTube video script about the 2025 Lectric XP Trike and Bajaj Qute, written in a smooth, engaging style for your channel drive trend. This script avoids headings and visual cues, sticking strictly to narration, dialogue-style content. Welcome back to Drive Trend, where we explore the future of mobility, one ride at a time. Today, we're diving into two very different, yet incredibly fascinating vehicles that are redefining how we think about compact, efficient transportation, the 2025 Lectric XP Trike and the Bajaj Qute. Let's start with something that's getting a lot of buzz in the e-bike world, the 2025 Lectric XP Trike. If you're not already familiar, Lectric has made a name for itself by creating affordable, practical electric bikes with surprisingly good performance. And now, with the XP Trike, they've taken that same philosophy and applied it to a three-wheeled format. This thing is designed for people who want the ease and fun of an e-bike but with added stability, cargo capability, and comfort. The 2025 XP Trike is powered by a rear hub motor putting out 500 watts nominal, with a peak of 1092 watts. That's more than enough for city cruising, light hills, and towing small loads. What's interesting is that it's rear-wheel drive, but Lectric's done some clever engineering to make sure both rear wheels are powered, so you're not dealing with awkward handling or unbalanced torque. Top speed, it caps out around 14 miles per hour, which may not sound like much, but for a trike built for stability and utility, it feels just right. And it's tuned to meet Class 2 e-bike standards in the US, so no license, registration, or insurance required. Just hop on and ride. Battery life is another strong point. The XP Trike comes with a 48-volt, 14-amp-hour lithium battery, giving you up to 60 miles of range on a single charge, depending on how much pedal assist you use. There's also the option to add a second battery, which effectively doubles your range. That's pretty wild for a trike that folds up and fits in the back of most SUVs. Now, one of the most appreciated features of the XP Trike is its comfort. It's got a super low step-through frame, making it accessible for riders of all ages and mobility levels. The seat is wide and well cushioned, and the handlebars are upright for a relaxed riding posture. It also comes with hydraulic brakes and a parking brake, a detail that really shows Lectric was thinking about everyday usability. But maybe the coolest thing about the XP Trike is its cargo capability. With a sturdy rear rack and a huge optional cargo basket, you can load it up with groceries, gear, even a pet carrier if you're feeling adventurous. It's kind of like a mini electric pickup bike, and honestly, it's hard not to love the utility it brings to the table. Now let's switch gears, literally, and talk about something completely different, the Bajaj Qute. If the XP Trike is the evolution of the e-bike, the Qute is what happens when a motorcycle company decides to reinvent the urban car. Made by Bajaj, which is one of the biggest names in two-wheelers in India, the Qute is a quadricycle, technically not a car in most countries. It's smaller than your average compact, but bigger and more protected than a scooter. And it's turning heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, well, under the rear hatch, the Bajaj Qute is powered by a 216cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. It's air-cooled and delivers around 13 horsepower. Again, that might not sound like much, but the Qute weighs just over 450 kilograms. That's less than half the weight of a compact car. So the performance is surprisingly nimble for city traffic. It can reach speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour, or around 43 miles per hour, which is ideal for urban commuting and short distance travel. Plus, with a fuel efficiency rating of around 35 kilometers per liter, or roughly 82 miles per gallon, it's one of the most economical petrol-powered vehicles on the road today. Now, you might be wondering, why does something like the Qute exist? The answer is simple: efficiency, cost, and practicality. In countries where traffic congestion is a daily struggle and parking space is a luxury, the Qute just makes sense. It's compact enough to zip through narrow lanes, light enough to get fantastic mileage, and affordable enough to be accessible to a wide range of people. Inside, the Qute is Spartan, but functional. It seats 4,